Doing payroll in Xero Canada is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Log in to your Xero account and navigate to the payroll menu. If you haven't already set up payroll, you'll be prompted to do so. Follow the prompts to set up your payroll, including entering your business details, tax information, and employee details. Once payroll is set up, add your employees to Xero. Enter their personal information, including their full name, address, social insurance number, employment details, and pay rate. Create pay templates for different types of employees, such as salaried, hourly, and contractors. Pay templates include details about pay rates, allowances, deductions, and statutory holiday pay. To process pay runs, go to the payroll menu and select pay runs. Click on Create to start a new pay run. Select the employees you want to pay and enter their hours worked, vacation taken, and any other relevant information. Review the pay run summary to ensure accuracy. Then click Finalize to complete the pay run. After finalizing the pay run, you can pay your employees through Xero using direct deposit. Alternatively, you can print paychecks if needed. Xero will generate pay stubs for each employee, which you can email or print for distribution. Xero can calculate payroll taxes for you based on the information you entered during setup. Remit the payroll taxes to the Canada Revenue Agency according to their guidelines and deadlines. Ensure that statutory deductions such as employee insurance and Canada Pension Plan contributions are calculated correctly and deducted from employee paychecks. Keep up to date with changes to Canadian payroll legislation and ensure that your payroll practices comply with relevant laws and regulations. Xero provides various payroll reports that you can generate to track your payroll expenses, tax obligations, and employee earnings over time. Run reports such as payroll summary, payroll activity, and employee details to keep track of your payroll information. If you're unsure about any aspect of payroll in Xero or need assistance with payroll compliance, consider seeking advice from a qualified accountant or payroll specialist.